Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can insert SmartArt right here in this Microsoft Word document. Now you want to go up here to the top right up here. And you want to click on insert. Now when you click on insert, this is you notice illustration. This is SmartArt. You're going to click on it. Notice it's a list, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, metric, right? And when you click on all this is what come up. You can actually scroll up like this. If you click on this is what come up right here. If you click on it, you notice the display over here. Anyone that you click the display over here, when you go on process, this is what happened. Yes, you click, it still do the display over here. Click, still do the display over here. So when you press OK, it will right here in the document. When you click on cycle, this is what happened. This is what happened. Just the same, you click on hierarchy. You can actually use this as an organization chart so far. Click on relationship, you notice you click right here. Just the same. Alright, metric, you're gonna click just the same. Pyramid, and click on pyramid, you notice. Come up just the same. Click right here now, you can actually add photo. And you're inside of one of these and all that, you can also get some more. So far, so definitely want to click on cycle. Then I'm going to choose one. You notice, I'm going to choose one right here. And click this one, just the same, and then you're going to click OK. Now you actually add it on the document right here. Very important. You can actually click in here to actually add text. Or you can put the cursor right here. You notice it should go on. You click it, it bring up a display right here. So I'm going to add some text in it. Alright, so when we write text in it, you notice it show up right here. I'm going to click into the next one. Right here. I'm going to click the next one again. This. I'm going to click the next one. We're going to click in the last one. Notice, and then come around and click in this one. And when I finish, what I can do, I can come right here. Now, if I don't want this one, I can put the cursor right here. You notice it change. The cursor right here change again. Put the cursor right here. You notice it change and all of that. But if I want to change the color right here, what I can do, I can come right here. Notice it's a color. Click right here. Notice first when I put it on it, you notice the color change right here. Notice the color change. Anyone who wanted to put it on, right? So I'm going to put it on this one. Right, not only that, we have some more option right here. And notice right here, SmartArt design. We're going to click right here. Notice, bring up. So take a close note here. I'll put it on this one. You notice what look. On this one, look like that. Like that. Click right there. So you can test out all of them so far. Right, bring it up just like that. Very important. So I'm going to select this one. Right, so this is exactly how it actually look. So this is where you can create SmartArt right here in the Microsoft Word document, right? You can actually, when you're doing lesson plan, you can actually do the same thing in a presentation. You can actually do the same thing, right? And if you learn something from this particular video, remember to share it and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.